D&D 3D adjustable concealed hinges can be made of single-loin material. Size 25 by 150 mm, 28 by 177 mm, 34 by 246 mm are available. Suitable for doors weighing 40 kg, 80 kg, and 120 kg. Suitable for doors up to 35 mm, 40 mm, and 45 mm thick. 3D hidden hinges available in a variety of finishes, such as silver painted, black painted, and golden painted. Besides 3D hinges, we also have many different types of concealed hinges. We can provide a complete range of door hardware, also provide door opening solutions, suitable for wooden doors, metal doors, and fire-rated doors. Can be used in education, healthcare, hospitality, government and office facilities, etc. D&D is your one-stop partner in the door hardware industry. Contact us now.